In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add a local printer in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together and in that way you would be able to bring this up. So here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and there you can see a list of the option. Please proceed with the option called Bluetooth and devices. The moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up the Bluetooth and devices settings. Or here, you need to locate for printers and scanners. So click on it, and eventually you will see an option where you can add device. Click on this once again, and eventually you would be able to get an option where you can manually add a local printer. So please click on this one. And in a few seconds, you would be able to bring up this one, which is find a printer by other options. So please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. The moment you click on it, this part is very important because this is where we are gonna choose our printer port. So click on this down arrow key and you need to choose either of these three, among of these three. So it could be 001, 002, or 003. And if you would install a local printer for HP, if you have an HP port here, you can select that, okay, as your printer port. Once you've set the correct or proper port, please click on next and eventually it will show you the manufacturer. So if you would like to install for a local printer under Canon, you can select for Canon and it will show you the printer here. You can also click on Windows Update and in that way you would be able to see printer drivers under Canon. If you would like to install for Epson, here it will show you a list of the Epson printer driver that you would like or that you can install here in your Windows. You can also go with generic HP or Microsoft. Okay. So in my case, I want to install for HP. So how you have just have to select for this one, click on next, and you can also rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP LaserJet M1530. So click on next and it will now start the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on next and click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed HP LaserJet or any local printer that you have installed here in your Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.